Alright guys, I desperately need some help here. Specifically those guys that know about ignition issues. Quick, trying to get this Mustang still to start and run. I replaced the distributor, lined it up, number one top dead center compression stroke, lined it up with the firing order at a piston at a firing order 1, perfectly dropped in the distributor. Everything's cool. This car will barely start in the morning until it gets hot, then it stops, then it's very hard to get it to even hit. And basically, I'm making an observation. I also replaced the ignition control module, added the grease on the back of it, tightened it down hand tight. Everything's good to go there. I'm wondering if this is a coil issue, guys. I'm not really sure, but watch the way this tachometer reacts underneath starting load. Check this out. Tell me what you guys think of this. Try to keep this steady. I'm glad I just got that on camera. What is this, guys? I mean, why is it when you're doing the same thing over and over again, turning it over, it's giving the same signal, right? I mean, why then all of a sudden a spike and then a start? Like, what is that, a coil? I'm not that good with ignitions. I don't know, but I'm just hoping someone will be able to kind of see this and be able to determine by looking at this tachometer and how it's reacting, what their next decision would be. I mean, I can't keep dumping money into this car. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's try it one more time just to kind of show you again. And then something totally different. There it goes. Starts to act funny. Down to nothing. Very weird. It's almost like there's a huge voltage drop the way it just drops down like that. And then if I don't push the clutch in and I just kind of try to start this thing, of course it's not going to start or anything, but turn the key off, the clutch is not pushed in, and I hold it down, and it'll kind of, so it kind of blips. Every time I try to turn the key to the start position, it does a little something funky too. I don't know, guys. I'm going to stop playing with this. I'm going to post this on YouTube. Tyler, you've been an amazing help. Thank you very much. And Brian, you too. You guys know who you are. So let me know. I'm really getting nervous here. I appreciate it. Thanks.